Okay, we are back. Since I did the last video earlier today, I cleaned out these guys. These were the 3 trays from the other video. Cleaned out the plants, shook out the rocks, all that. I hooked them all back up. So as you can see, they're hooked up there. The drain goes all the way, and then it goes here, and that goes through that reservoir. I put the air stones in, so you can see it's there. You got a good bubble going on in each one of those buckets. And I was thinking about it, and you were talking about not having the air stones in the buckets because you have with the reservoir, and I just figured I'd do the opposite, so I have them in the buckets and not the reservoir now because they're getting so much from the bottom. So anyways, that's set up. This one's also hooked up to the same reservoir. I have that going through. I originally, earlier, was planning on hooking this and going around and then coming down, but turns out it doesn't drain fast enough like that. And also one pump is not big enough for 9 buckets. So that may be a problem for you. I'm using a 396, the Eco 396, and it could not keep up with 9 of these buckets. So if you're doing 8, you may need a bigger pump than that. I don't know. Well, hopefully, or maybe if you disperse the water better, it would fill up. Like for mine, it filled up this whole room, and then these wouldn't get more than like an inch or 2. But I also had a black thing. I don't know. It was probably, I could have probably done it differently, but this works just fine. I just have an individual feeder and drain. That's the benefit of having the feed on either side, because now I can just I take a separate pump from here, and then I put it in there. But so here you can see now you got both drains. You got both drains coming out. One's coming from the 6 and the other's coming from the 3. You got a pump going this way. There's another pump. You can barely see it coming out here, and it goes through that wall and then connects to the other ones. I still haven't hooked up the water chiller. I'm getting ready to do that right now. But yeah, and then I'm getting ready to transplant, so I'm gonna pick some plants, and then I'll take a picture of them afterwards. All right.